Okay, so today I'm getting ready for New Year's Eve and I'm just going to be moisturizing first. That's the first step that you need to do. Moisturize. Please moisturize, okay? Because you don't want, unless you have oily skin, then don't, maybe can skip that step. But I don't prime, I moisturize. And I could do a video on the moisturizing skincare that I use. So now I'm taking that foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just applying that, dabbing it on, and I'm mixing it with the the L'Oreal True Match. So this is an e.l.f. brush that I'm taking, and I'm just dabbing it into my skin because you just want to blend it out. So you see that it matches pretty good. So now I'm doing my eyebrows, which took me forever to do on camera. Like, I'm not doing that anymore. Next time I'm gonna be doing it another way. Like, I'm just gonna probably do my eyebrows first before I start recording, because I feel like my eyebrows could have came out better, and it was just really hard to do on camera. So now I'm taking my foundation and I clean my eyebrows up with the foundation. Sometimes I use concealer, sometimes I use foundation. I was going for a more natural brow look, and my brows are done, so I don't really need that much coverage to make it look so sharp. So I don't know, you can try both and see which one you like the best, but I'm just like a judge of what I want to look like that day. So yeah, as you can see, I'm struggling to look in the mirror. So please, 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 just excuse me next time, because I'm going to have my eyebrows done first in the next video, I promise you. Like, can't be doing that again, sweetie. See, it wasn't even coming out that straight, but it came out pretty good in the end. Like, I was satisfied with the results, so that's all that matters. So now I'm just taking that blending brush. Well, it's like a bigger fluffy brush to blend out your concealer, and I use that, and then I spoolied it out with this spoolie that I have. And now I'm applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Of course, everybody's favorite. You can get this from the beauty supply or wherever. It just needs to be a little bit lighter than your foundation color in your skin tone, because that's the point. You want to conceal those dark circles. And now I'm just blending that out. Blending is key when you're doing your makeup. Please blend everything out. And I'm just gonna use that same brush that I use for the eyebrows. Like, it's like a concealer brush. So use that. Okay, so now my favorite part, well, one of my favorite parts after I quench my thirst, now I'm going to be using the Revlon, no, this is the Revolution setting powder. This is a new powder for me. I'm just now trying it out, and I got it from Ulta, and it was only $8.99, I believe, and it came out really good. Like, it came out really good. And normally I know people apply their baking powder with a blending sponge, but I didn't want to do that today, so it's really all about what you want to do. I wanted a lot of the powder because I was feeling like I was looking a little bit oily. And I mean, I feel like I have combination skin. I used to think it was dry, but recently I've been having like a lot of oil in my nose area. So seriously, at the end of the day, like, I make sure I wash that super good. Okay, so now I'm taking the e.l.f. Duo, and you can get this from Target for, I think it's like $4 or $6. It used to be $4 or $3. Now they went up. So it's still pretty cheap though, and it's really good. I love that contour on my skin tone. Like, it's like a matte finish, and it's hard to find. Like, it's really hard to find. So now I'm just applying that on my forehead and my cheek areas, and it came out pretty bomb. And my nose, I always contour my nose as well. I need it. So now I'm just putting a little bit of that blush on from the e.l.f. Duo thing that I just showed you. I'm just putting that blush on with the same brush, big fluffy brush. Normally I use a different one, but today I just decided to stick to that brush. Okay, so now I'm taking this new Juvia's Place palette, and I'm telling y'all, I am not an eye makeup person. Like, I really don't even care about eye makeup that much. As long as it's like a natural looking eye, I'm good. I don't like, I mean, maybe I'll start to do different looks, but for the most part, I just like a nice natural eye. So that's what I would recommend if you're trying to go for this look. And I use like a orangey color, and I just got these Juvia's Place palettes, and oh my god, they're so creamy. I love them. Like, I really love these. So now you just want to blend that, and until you feel satisfied. And I already got my eyelashes done, so I'm not going to be doing eyeliner. I'm not really that into eyeliner either. Maybe I will be later on down the line, who knows, but right now I just feel cute just with the lashes and the eyeshadow. Like, now to my favorite part, y'all. I love highlighting. You apply it a little bit above the place where you put the blush on your cheeks, so above your cheeks. And I had to slow this part down for you guys a little bit because I really wanted you to see. I used the eyeshadow, you guys, from the Juvia's Place palette. I believe it's the Saharan one, and it's like this is a white shimmery eyeshadow, and just look at that glow. Oh my god, it came out so pretty. I was in love, y'all. I was in love. No, I'm kidding. I can't sing, but okay, so now I'm just giving you the opportunity while I'm going to find my lip liner to please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thumbs it up if you feeling that highlighter I just put on, honey. I'm telling you, thumbs it up if you want to try using the eyeshadow, or you have tried using the eyeshadow. So now I'm taking a brown lip liner, and I'm just gonna be lining my lips. I don't really overdo the lips either because I mean, I just don't. I like a clear gloss and a brown liner. That's it. That's all. Like, you give me that and I will be popping. And I got this lip gloss, y'all. I got this lip gloss from the Beauty Supply store, and it's not sticky. It is oily. It's a coconut oil one, and it was only like A $2 holla. So now I'm applying mascara, and this is the Maybelline Makeup Shayla Duo Mascara, and it works pretty good. It gets the job done. So now I'm just putting on this edge control stick to lay this closure, and brushing it down with this brush I got from Walmart. And look, y'all, I was feeling it. Okay, thank you for watching, and please thumbs up and subscribe. See you later.